Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to you. I hope that you will consider subscribing. Tap that red subscribe, turn it black, join my channel, come back for more videos all about fashion. Today I have a Trendsend and I'm real excited about getting into this Trendsend box. Trendsend is a style service offered by the company Evereve, and I don't have an Evereve store in my location, but that's not a problem because I just fill out a style profile. I'm paired with a stylist. It's a different stylist every time, and that stylist will put together a couple outfits. Yes, outfits. Some of the stuff you can mix and match in your wardrobe, but they have actually put outfits together for you. With Trendsend, you can make requests and let your stylist know what you want. And in my request, I said, send me sale items because yes, Trendsend will send you pieces that are on sale. Now, I have a referral link below if you want to try Trendsend for yourself. And what happens if you do that, when you try Trendsend, you get a referral link to share with your friends. And if people use your link, you get a 20% discount. Thank you to all of the ladies that have used my discount code because it has really made these boxes very affordable for me. So now Trendsend has a new thing. Starting at the end of February, they actually charge a $20 styling fee, and that fee comes off anything that you keep in the box. They also now offer a discount if you keep X amount of clothes. I'm not sure what the magic number is, but I will let you know once we break into this box. So that is brand new with Trendsend, and I'm really happy that they have done that. So here you have it. This is the inside of my box, and boy, it looks like it was tossed around a little bit. Let's look at the bundles. As always with Trendsend, postage is free, and they give you a pretty big envelope to send things back. Some of the style boxes send really small envelopes because I think they want you to keep everything. So I appreciate that they have given me enough space. If everything in here didn't work out, I could send it all back, but that's not gonna happen, right? Positive vibes. We also have an envelope, and this has an invoice and a note from my stylist. Oh, there's a note right there. Can you see that? It says, "Hi Kelly, it was fun styling your box today. Be sure to read your whole letter for some styling tips from Robin." Oh, I appreciate that. They really do tell you what types of shoes, maybe even jewelry to wear. So I will read that and I will share the highlights with you. Okay, the first piece I'm going to share is this little cami. And the reason I'm sharing this is because it was not in a bundle. It had fallen out. That is really pretty, isn't it? It seems a little short though. But boy, is it beautiful. It's got that scalloped neckline and it is adjustable. It is lined. I appreciate that. It's this beautiful floral on the outside and a black lining on the inside. So this would be very pretty, even with the sweater I'm wearing right now. Very nice. Who is this? Let's see. This is Allison Joy. So that is an Evereve brand that I have been very happy with. Bundle number 2 is falling apart. Okay, we'll start with the mustard top because everyone knows I really like mustard. Look at how cute this is. This is also Allison Joy, and this has got some pleat detailing on the front of it. Can you see that there? And we do have a keyhole back with a cloth button, so that's nice. This is a size medium. We'll have to see what those armholes look like. Is this lined? Yes. Yes, it is lined. Thank you very much for the lining. That is always so nice. So this is beautiful. The mustard with the different colored flowers. We have some teal in there, some pink and burgundy and blue. Beautiful. Okay, next up is a sweater. Oh, no, no, no. It's a cardigan. This is a navy cardigan. It's ribbed. It's lightweight. It's duster length. We do have the slits on the side there, which I appreciate. Is there a pocket? Yes, there's a pocket. Oh, and there's buttons. Yes. So I wonder if that's going to be a V-neck. I just picked up a navy cardigan, so I don't know if I'm really in need of this, but I like it. It's very soft. It's lightweight. This will be a great transition piece. Oh, no. Oh no, oh, white denim. Okay, the good news is they're Paige Denim, but they're white. And I can see the light through them. So I get very, very scared of white denim. I even made a video on it because I have such a hard time fitting into white denim. The good news is they have sent me a pair of Paige Denim, which are normally really expensive. So I do have a 20% discount on this box. So maybe let's just hope that they fit and that they are thick enough that you can't see every bump and bulge. Cross your fingers, ladies. And this is our last bundle. Looks like we have a jacket. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Is this the Harper blazer? And it's on sale. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you guys remember when I received this blazer? It was a long time ago at the beginning of the season, and I fell in love with it. The regular price on it is $128. If I remember correctly, it is not lined. No, it's not lined, but now it is on sale for $100. So with my discount, I might be able to pick this up for right around $80. That's another thing that Trendsend does. Sometimes I have to send pieces back because I just can't fit them into my budget, but they often will send them to me later in the year when they have gone on sale. So I am so excited about this one because this was a piece I hated to part with the last time. Let's see. Okay, the final piece in this box is Articles of Society Denim. And these are just a regular wash denim. There's a little bit of whiskering on them. They are 5-pocket styling. They are skinny. I don't know. What am I looking at here? Because I have lots of Articles of Society. These are the Heather high-rise crop, and I do not have any Heather cut. I've never tried them. I hear they're fabulous. They say they're cropped. Let's see how the length does with me. I'm real excited. This looks like a really fabulous box. So I have tried everything on, and I read my stylist notes, and I did try things on as she suggested. I don't know if she's watched my videos, and she knows I go rogue and sometimes try on things that never should be styled together. She starts off by saying, "Hi Kelly, color and sales. You are my kind of shopper. I love that you provided some parameters that you were looking for, as this helped me to style your box. Keep leaving us feedback on what you liked and didn't like and why. We definitely keep this in mind when putting our outfits together. Enjoy trying on the outfits." So that is really helpful. Good feedback is always helpful in getting a better and better box. I think this box is really fabulous. So the details on the new Trendsend. Now we have the $20 styling fee. They used to charge $1. Now it's $20. That's deducted from anything that you keep. And if you purchase 4 or more items, you get a 10% discount off your entire purchase. So that is really awesome. Another big bonus that Trendsend by Evereve is doing is you have 30 days to return anything you keep. So if you were maybe an impulsive shopper, like I can relate. If sometimes I buy something and then a week later I say, what was I thinking? You have 30 days to return anything that you purchase with a Trendsend, and you don't get your money back, but you do get a store credit at the Evereve store. And speaking of the Evereve store, everything that is in this box today can be purchased at the Evereve website, and I will leave links to everything that I have in case you don't want a Trendsend box, you just want to purchase one piece. I'll leave links below for you. So let me show you the clothing. Okay, let's start off with the Allison Joy. This is the Eliza pleated shell in mustard, and it's got the fabulous colors in it. I really enjoy the colors of the floral and even that little bit of green. Now she asked me to pair these with white pants, and I think that worked really well, although I know this is going to pair well with just blue denim as well. I enjoy the high-low. One of the things I really appreciate is the lining, because nobody wants to wear a cami under a shell. So I really appreciate that about this top. The regular price on this top was $58. It is now on sale for $34.99. This is a really high quality shell. This one I'm adding to my wardrobe. I really like it. I just need 3 more pieces for the 10% off. Most of my stylists have no idea how much I hate white denim. I mean, I like white denim. I want to wear it. I own a couple pairs. I really appreciate that she sent these white Paige Denim. You know, they're just a classic, very clean, skinny. There's no distressing on them. There's no embellishment. They are a pretty thick fabric. They are stretchy. They felt too tight for me in the legs. The waist was fine, but I did feel restricted in my movement, and these are $189. Paige Denim is fabulous. These are on sale at Trendsend Evereve for $149.99. So with my 20% discount, and if this was included, I could pick these up for next to nothing, and I appreciate that about Trendsend. I have picked up some of my premium denim from Trendsend. When I get the discount, it really makes for an affordable pair of premium denim. The next piece is also by Allison Joy. This is called the Cara Cardigan, and as soon as I put it on, I remembered trying it before. This was $68 before, and I thought it was just a little bit too thin for a $68 cardigan, but now it's on sale, and the sale price is only $39.99. And I really like this cardigan. I like the weight of the cardigan. I like that it buttons, although I don't think it looks that good buttoned on me, but I like that it does button into a V-neck like that. I love the duster length. I'm not real sure how I feel about the side slits on this one. Love the pockets. I like this one a lot, especially at the $40 price range. It makes more sense to me. Although I just picked up a duster length navy cardigan in my trunk club, so it doesn't make sense for me to add this one to my closet. Had this come 3 weeks earlier, I would have made this one mine. Okay, the little cami. This is the Nala cami. This is also Allison Joy. I am really drawn to this cami. I just like the colors in it. I think it's very feminine looking with the scallop neckline. I do appreciate the adjustable straps on them, and I was kind of working with trying to adjust that to the correct length for me. I don't know if I got that right in the try-on, but yeah, again, I appreciate that it's lined. I appreciate that it's well made. But truth is, I just enjoy the beautiful colors and how feminine this looks. I think this is going to be a great piece to wear under blazers, under cardigans, and it's a pretty nice weight between the cami and the shell underneath. This one started off at $48, but you can now purchase this one for $19. I'm so pleased that she offered me so many sale items. Next up are the articles of society. These are the Heather high-rise crop, and they didn't really seem cropped to me. More like an ankle pant is how they fit, so I like that. I'm really not into cropped pants. And I like articles of society. I've had a lot of success with them. I like them because they're not a crazy expensive denim, but they wear really well. Regular price on these are $66. They're not on sale. I do have the 20% discount, and if this can be included in a bundle of 4, I can get a better discount on them. I like these. I have been wanting to try the Heather high waist. I have heard people talk about how great they are, and yeah, these are staying. I'm not waiting for these to go on sale. This is one of those pieces that I want. You know, when you put them on, I hated to take them off just to show you and talk about them. These are some jeans that I can't wait to wear. The last piece I tried is by Peyton Jensen. This is the Harper Blazer. I like it just as much as I liked it the last time. The last time it was sent to me, it was paired with a white t-shirt and gray denim, and I bought the t-shirt. I have the gray denim. I just don't have the jacket to wear with it. So what do you think about this jacket? The price tag is now down to $99.99. So it's down $28. I have a discount on it. This blazer is almost 100% cotton, and it has that cotton feel, almost like a denim jacket, but it does have some spandex. You see how that moves? I love the way this moves. I just love the way this one looks. Of course, I would be happier if it was lined. It should be lined even at a $100 price tag. I think I would wear this like a mauve denim jacket. I think she paired it up very nicely in the outfit with the cami and the articles of society, but I also think this will go great with the mustard shell. I am leaning towards keeping this. What do you think about this one? Okay, so here you have it. This is what I think I'm going to keep. I think I'm going to keep the mustard top and the floral cami, the Articles of Society denim, and the Harper blazer. It looks like I am going to get my 10% discount. I am not going to make any decisions until I hear from you. I haven't seen what the pieces look like on me. I might be fooling myself. So I appreciate your comments and your feedback, but let me give you the good news. If I purchase these 4 pieces, the grand total comes to $168.77 for 4 pieces. 10% off that is $16.87, bringing it down to $151.90, minus my styling fee, all of this, 4 pieces, $131.90. I think that is a great deal for a blazer, a pair of denim, and 2 tops. I mean, this is fabulous. Like I said, if you want to try Trendsend for yourself, I will leave all the information in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me again. This has been a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please return in a couple days. I'll have another video for you. It's going to be all about women's clothing, so I can't wait to see you again. Blessings to all of you.